What's up, it's me, ECB here. Welcome to today's video. As you can see, there's a workstation here. Almost workstation, not ready yet. We're gonna be fixing this thing up, and it's gonna be much better. So to begin, there's workstation here in my garage, and it's like perfect. This wood, there's some wood substance-ish, is pretty nice. It should be able to work with like my soldering and stuff. I don't want to do it upstairs in my room because I'm gonna burn down the house. The garage is a much better place to do this stuff because it's pretty much all concrete here, so it's less prone to burning down. And then all the tools right here, like screwdrivers galore if you need that. Screwdriver right here. And then like, it's amazing, a lot of space. There's space for me to build. Once we remove all this, and recording is great here because it's just like a nice location. The lighting is much better here than in my room, and I have a place to put my tripod on to record these videos. So that's gonna be another added bonus. So right now I'm just gonna try to take all this clutter out, add some sort of chair on, and we're gonna time lapse all of this. And so hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty guys, looks pretty nice here. Second stage, we're gonna go down. I'm gonna get like cat litter and this piano chair out of here. There's no need for that. So if you look right here, the cat litter, finding a place for that.
A year or two, friends have changed, but so can you. So can you.
Okay, how does it look right now? We have the chair set up, but like I think this chair is too low. So we need to figure out a way to get a higher chair. Here, even if it's like more ugly or something. Okay. I have to slow the roll down. I'm gonna check the footage, we'll be back. If this chair looks nice, then we'll leave it this way. If it doesn't, then we'll figure something out. Alright, to the next clip. Oh, that was a long run. Oh, I dropped one of the parts. Hopefully I didn't break that, but it was a long run. Got a few like electronic-ish components put here just to splice this place up a little bit. First thing we're gonna go with is the Raspberry Pi with micro SD card inside. So this thing was like actually my first like enthusiast grade system. It's neat, but like it's for enthusiasts. So yes, I love the Raspberry Pi. You always have a place in my heart, but when the Arduino comes, who needs a Raspberry Pi? Oh yeah, an Arduino's coming. Stay tuned for that. The next thing we're gonna put on is these connectors. They're for RGB. I'm gonna bring it a little close to the camera so you can see. They're like, so all RGB connectors for some reason are female on the motherboard. I'm not sure how the motherboard they're male, but like if you're gonna connect it to a hub or something, it's gonna be, they're both female, so you gotta get one of these for it to work. Drop them again, 1 second. These things don't like to stay up, but if I'm ever gonna need RGB here, I have it. Next thing, we're gonna go with these thermal pastes. So if I ever build another system here, it's gonna be here. Cooler Master Thermal Fusion. I'm not sure how good it is, but like it works for me. They're pretty nice thermals. Next, an AM, like I'm guessing this is an AM4 header. I'm gonna open it right here. Those of you who are smarter than me, please correct me if I'm wrong. But I'm guessing this is an AM4 header for the Cooler Master Liquid 240 ml. So that's the cooler thing-ish. I can't put it back in the bag. Alright, let's just throw it right here. So that's what we have right now, a bit of tech to splice things up. This place has pretty much everything I need. Also has a wall socket right there. It's going to be great for plugging in my solder station and other electronic components that I need. I might add like an extender thing or like port adder thing, whatever it's called. A second. Is this possible? I will attempt the impossible. Can I do it? Okay, let's stand up. I don't think I'm in frame, but like. No, it doesn't. I was trying to put this thing into there, but it doesn't let me unscrew. It is? It's unscrewing. Oh. If you can even see what I'm doing right here. Alright, that looks pretty nice. It's in well enough. So, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.